You've probably seen big AI models like ChatGPT or Sora, but how do they actually learn? It all starts with setting up the dataset. When we train AI models, we don't use all the data all at once. We break the whole dataset into three parts: the train, test, and validation datasets. The training set is what the model actually learns from. The model sees both the inputs and the correct labels and adjusts the weight to minimize the error. The validation set is used during training to fine-tune the model. Here, the model never actually sees the correct labels while it's updating the weights. Instead, it helps pick the best model, fine-tune the hyperparameters, and prevent any overfitting. The test set is completely different. It's used only once after training ends to evaluate how well the model actually performs on unseen data. Let's set up a quick dog and cat classifier to see how the dataset setup process actually works. I'm going to go ahead and download this open source Kaggle dataset with both dog and cat images. For this example, we're going to use a 70% training, 20% validation, and 10% test split. With our dataset setup, all we have to do is set up our neural network and we can get straight to training. Right here, we can go ahead and start training our dataset. Here you can see we've already called in our train dataset. We also set up our validation dataset, and we'll use our test dataset later to get the final results. Finally, we can go ahead and evaluate our model by calling in our test dataset and evaluating different metrics including precision, recall, and binary accuracy. The model seems to have done well. Pretty amazing. This dataset split up doesn't apply just to this sort of classifying model. Any AI model you use, from chatbots, agents, voice assistants, and even the sensor technology in your car, had to go through some similar type of training process. Cool, right? Follow for more.